here. The sun is melting me. Do you see that sweat on my face? Open up your eyes as wide as you can. Do you see that sweat on my face? What's that? Look behind you! Never mind. It wasn't anything. Don't worry about it. But do you see that sweat on my face? Yeah. It's hot. What are we gonna do to cool ourselves down? We could make a smoothie. I'm thinking we should do a strawberry mango smoothie. We're gonna need frozen strawberries, frozen mangoes, water. The water doesn't need to be frozen. Orange juice. And that doesn't need to be frozen either. That's it. Let's go. To start our smoothie off, we're gonna need a blender. Going to need to blend the mango part first, and then the strawberry. When you blend the mango mix and then the strawberry mix separately, it makes it pretty. It makes it beautiful. So that's what we're gonna do. It should look something like this picture. Put in half a cup of mangoes, 3/4 cups of orange juice. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Now 3 tablespoons of water. 1 tablespoon, 2, 3. Let's do the strawberries. Now we'll put in 1 cup of strawberries. And 1 cup of orange juice. Now, originally I told you only half a cup of strawberries, but I really like strawberries, so do 1 cup of strawberries. Unless you don't really like strawberries, then you don't have to do that. Let's see if Micah likes it. Oh, Micah! Aloha! I made this nice cold drink for you. Thank you. Ah! It's so cold! Can I have some? Nice and fruity and cold. I want to put it on your face now. Let's go.